Orca and this guy.
Look at me, Biggie.
Do you want me to catch you?
Come back the other way, come back the other way, come back the other way.
What are you,
Turn around, turn around. Where is it? It's coming!
Holy dear. Wow. No!
Where are we going?
If he's so cute, can I see him?
Yeah. Vanilla is also just a flavor. You're just being
Yeah,
racist.
so is cum, except everyone's free.
What?
I hooked up my controller so I can have more steady control.
I see.
Daddy's home. I told you get some speed. Okay.
Oh, I can dig in this fucking asshole. Oh my god. Hold on.
What'd you just say?
What?
Oh, I'm digging in this butt. I'm digging in this butt.
I didn't realize. Hey, close that window! Close that window right now! Like, Jesus, I didn't realize you de-armed the corpse and tossed it down with the logs. Jesus Christ!
I was laughing. I didn't think much of it.
Biggie, look at my phone. You are a weird man.
I'm so excited being around you.
Did you know earlier I was chopping off women's arms for fun?
That good job.
Eggs!
Good job, Vicky. You put it down.
And now you have like a cubby for them.
Yeah, thanks.
Okay, I'll make it taller. Guys, am I stealthy?
Absolutely. I'm trying to get you a present, but they run very fast.
What? Damn, you kind of got an hourglass figure. I can't even lie to you, man.
Dude, thank you.
You're
We
working
are
my
like
waist.
we are matching. We are matching.
You have an overly detailed bulge.
Please.
You have to be, yeah. Eggs, I don't think you're in bed. Eggs, you're not in bed.
Do you
Yeah.
want to eat it? Do you want to eat it? Hey, penguin. Do you want to eat it? Why'd you lock
Now
the
you'll
door?
never leave. No. Let me get the swimming gear so that we can breathe underwater.
That's really
Guys, I'm
stupid.
drowning! Somebody help!
Press G.
I don't like how you two are twins in identical outfits.
What's wrong with me? Why do you think that I'm ugly?
What do you have against me?
Okay.
What just happened?
Is it a dead body?
Oh my god! Jesus Christ, Lotto!
My violent urges almost came over me. I'm so sorry.
Were you like about to hurt me?
We know.
Lotto, turn around.
Still. You're making such interest. Wow. Stick man, really good.
Stick man.